Hello. Gold price is soaring like anything, and this year gold price has given maximum return. And we Indians generally have more interest towards gold. Our women they love gold jewelry, and men also feel that jewelry always has a security. So people really treat gold as one of the major investment opportunity in India. Now with the increase in price, it's again gold become the favorite asset class. So the question remains is gold can we make income out of it? Gold is always a dead investment. Always people invest in gold with a hope that capital appreciation will happen. So now the question is that how we can generate income out of gold. At the same time, when you buy a gold, can we buy at a very small quantity? Because people generally say that 1 gram we can buy. But gold we can buy with even 50 rupees. That means that it will be very small quantity. It will be 1/100th of a gram. You are eligible to buy in a digital form. So today we are going to discuss these two things: how we can get income out of gold and how we can buy gold with 50 rupees. So in gold, if you buy as a jewelry, that's not at all an investment because that involve the making charge, that involve other charges when the gold converted into a jewelry. So if you are buying as a jewelry and thinking that it's an investment, that is not at all an investment because a jewelry it involves 10 to 15 percentage as a making charge. So that means if you're buying gold worth of 1,000 rupees or let's say 100 rupees, already you are your gold that jewelry is sitting at a 15 rupees minus, which means 85 rupees worth of gold and 15 rupees is a making charge. So when the same jewelry you are going to sell that, you won't get 100 rupees, you will get only 85 rupees. So 15 percentage growth has to happen on your cost. Then only you are making profit out of this particular investment on jewelry. So thinking about investment, don't ever buy the jewelry. Always buy the bars or coins or digital gold. Digital gold is one thing is much more interesting than bars and coins because when you buy gold bars and jewelry, sorry, the coins, you have to think about security of those bars. You have to keep it in a safe custody. So that storage is your worry when you buy the coin. But on the other hand, when you buy digital gold, this gold is sitting in the form of digital and you can get the benefit of gold price appreciation. You need to be careful that what form of digital gold you are buying. So you have options. Like one best option now is that gold bond, sovereign gold bond, which is released by RBI and government of India is backed. So that means you don't have to worry about the security of this particular instrument. You will get your money. And the benefit of buying sovereign gold bond is you will be getting income out of it. Every year you will get 2.5 percentage of your investment as an interest. And this will be paid 6 monthly, 1.25 percentage each in every 6 months. You will get as an income from this investment. This bond is maturity of 8 years. Till fifth year, you can redeem it. You can trade in exchange if the liquidity is there. Otherwise, you have to wait for fifth year. From fifth year onwards, you can sell it during the time of interest payment time. So it's not that very liquid. And the benefit is that after 8 years only you are redeeming it, you will get the money with gold appreciation. If appreciation happens, I'm sure that in 8 year time, gold is going to give you appreciation. It's purely depends on market. But whatever appreciation you get, it is fully tax free. So the good thing about investing in sovereign bond RBI is issued is that you will get income of 2.5% on your investment every year. And the same time, if you are exiting only after 8th year at the time of redemption, your increase in the value or profit from this investment, it is tax free. So this is one option. If you are not bothered about liquidity, if you are thinking about long-term investment in gold, go for sovereign gold bond. The next option is that because sovereign bond, the issue we have is that we can buy only at 1 gram and more. For an individual, up to 4 kilos you can buy, or HUF also, same 4 kg. If you are a trust, you can buy up to 20 kgs. So the point is that you need at least 1 gram worth of money, which is about 5,000 rupees. And the other option is that you can invest in mutual fund gold. There also, if 500 rupees or whatever that minimum quantity each AMC is prescribing, you have to buy. But if you are thinking about buying at a very small quantity with 50 rupees also, now you can buy. This is available from a long time in stock market. You can buy Nippon ETF gold or Nippon gold Bs. This is, you need to have a demat account. In demat account, you can buy this open-ended fund where the liquidity also pretty decent. You can buy and exit anytime you want. For this, you need to have a demat account. Whereas in sovereign gold bond, you have an option to buy through demat account. Even if you do not have demat account, you can buy from RBI book. That is another advantage. And gold sovereign bond, NRIs cannot buy in NRI form. But in gold ETF, if you are believing in gold appreciation, if you think that gold has a good investment opportunity and you want to buy in a very small divisible quantity, you can buy at 1/100th of a gram's price, which is currently running at a 50 rupees. So this is a good thing. So when we talked about demat account also, because demat account is needed in case you are buying these open-ended funds. So for having demat account, you need to open a demat account with a broker, stock broker. And to have a demat account, you need to have your PAN card, Aadhaar card, and your bank proof, checkbook, check leaf, and everything, and contact a broker. And these days, online you can open an account, and once you have a demat account, you can procure this gold Bs, whatever quantity which you like, and you can keep that in your demat account. Whenever you want, you can just sell it, and it's so easy. It's you don't have to really go to shop, or you don't have to worry about security, storage worries, making charge. Nothing is there. You can enjoy the gold appreciation along with these digital golds. So this is what I want to talk about gold investing. From gold, these days we can generate income, and at the same time, gold can be bought with a minimum of 50 rupees and more. This is good asset class if you think that gold price is going to go up, and enjoy income also along with that if you're buying sovereign gold bond. Thank you so much.